Okay, so everyone, last video for tonight, it is gonna be posted. So if you notice, I was able to post video number 1. Okay, video number 1 is the homework review, and then video number 2 is gonna be this one. We're gonna go through lesson number 4, and then we're only gonna go through 2 of the lesson 5s. So, okay, just know that there's gonna be a total of 3 videos tonight. So starting with what we want to cover is first, everyone, we want to make sure that we go to Burlington English. Remember, we're doing the Burlington Core High Intermediate. We're now in student lessons and we are starting with health, number 5. So I want us to just start with lesson number 1. And if you have time, please start with 2. Don't worry about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. Okay, we're going to go through listen and speak. So in listen and speak, it says, in this lesson, you're going to listen to a conversation about exercising. Then you are going to speak about different types of exercise. So if we look here at the different types of exercises, for example, picture 1. Okay, this picture has, we can say that that picture is probably, okay, an app, a phone app. Here we see 3 people. It looks like these 3 people happen to be at a gym. And then we have our last person that is on the right. This person is jumping. So she might be doing squats outdoors. Once we have decided that we're ready to move on, we're going to go ahead and close this, and then we're going to go to number 2. So in activity number 2, everyone, we are going to have pictures, a total 4. So I want you to look at the 4 pictures first, picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, and picture 4. So look at the different activities up here: riding a bike, lifting weights, doing yoga, and then taking an exercise class. You're going to be moving these, okay, by dragging them. So if you need to check your answers, check, put okay, and it's going to say that, no, I didn't get them correct. So you're going to have to make sure that you attempt again until you get them correct. So if we're ready to move on from 1 and 2, we're now going to start a new unit, and so we need to learn the new vocabulary words. So remember, everyone, every time we go to a new unit, we have different words that we want to practice. So make sure that you play all of these. For example, the first one,
check out.
Second one,
Download.
The third one,
fitness app.
4,
Follow through.
5,
get in shape. Motivated.
So all of these, once you listen to them, we go again,
check out,
and then record. If after 10 minutes you think, I got this, I understand, then we can move on to activity 4, 5, and 6. So if we look at activity number 4, activity number 4 are sentences. And in these sentences, we want to make sure that we choose the correct vocabulary word. And if we go to number 5, we're going to do the same thing. Okay, we're going to go ahead and read. And then if you notice this word is in bold. This word in bold, it says which sentence could follow the first one. So before we go and choose A or B, we need to understand what willpower is. Same with number 2. What does joined and then club mean? And then we're going to choose a follow-up sentence. We're then going to move to number 6. Okay, look at the bolded word again. This time it's heart rate. And then we're going to choose one of the 2 vocabulary words. Make sure that you practice this more than once. It is important to continue for us to increase our vocabulary. So if we go to number 7, everyone, now we're going to listen to a conversation between 2 friends. And it says, listen to a conversation about exercise. Then choose true or false based on what you heard. Okay, and we have a total of 4 of them. number 2, number 3, and everyone number 4 and 5. Then we're going to go to the activity that said speak. So based on this activity, we're going to look at the chart. Look at the title of the chart. The chart says percentage of people aged 15 and older who played sports and or exercised on an average day by activity. And this is from 2009 to 2015. So once we read or we look and we understand the graph, we're going to read the paragraph and we're going to choose the correct answers. So make sure that you understand what the graph is trying to show us. Here are the percentages. And then here on the bottom, we have the activities. And one last thing we're doing with this activity is we have all of these phrases. I want you to listen.
Today, I'm going to talk about sports and exercise in the U.S.
Then
Walking is the most popular.
And then we're going to record. Okay, all of these. If you have questions, please let me know. Once we're ready, guess what? I just want you to look at this. So just look at number 3, the presentation. And Monday, when we're back in class, we're going to go through embedded WH questions. So look through it. Okay, understand we're going to go through embedded questions in English. So if you could please watch all these videos, thank you. Have a good night. I will see you on Monday.